If I pulled a muscle for a hardtail, I'm gonna be really upset. No, pop, baby, another freaking pop on the short rod. Are you kidding me? Nice one too. Look at here, baby. Okay. Pop number 2, baby, right there, 10 yards from the beach. This is the second pump on a short rod. And so they're just now starting to bite, but I'm not getting anything on the long rods, which is kind of interesting. Just had a little bite right there. Oh, that was a good bite. Good gracious. We're on. Nothing too much to him here. He's honestly acting like another blue runner, man. Which I guess better than catching nothing. What it is, I think. Well, not one, but 2. This is becoming just crazy. I think these are amberjack bait. Good gracious, man. It's just nice to be able to be back out here on the beautiful beach, man, because it's been so long. And so, I mean, I'm having a good time whether I'm catching pompano or what. We're getting a bite right here. I don't know if he's on there or not.